Pawan Kalyan has reached the Tirupati airport and he's going to reach by road ahead to the destination as well. This is important. Remember that Pawan Kalyan also, who's of course the Deputy CM, has reached the airport and he'll be heading now en route right now from road, and he will be there at the location as well. And we are told that more and more leaders, possibly Jagan Mohan Reddy, former CM, could also be landing at Tirupati in a short while in the next 1 to 2 hours. All the VVIPs coming forth, they want to be seen that they are reviewing the status and the situation. They want to interact with those injured, speak to eyewitnesses. But eventually it will be about, will the authorities be pulled up? What happened? With the kind of lack of clarity right now coming in, Apurva Jayachandran continues to be with us. Apurva, so we hear that 2 leaders are going to reach the destination soon. Jagan Mohan Reddy also, apart from Pawan Kalyan?
Well, that's right, Pooja. In fact, Pawan Kalyan has just landed at Tirupati Airport, Renigutta Airport there. And from there, it's about a 45-minute drive into Tirupati city where this accident has taken place. He will be going by road to the accident site as well. We're also, according to sources, we're told that he'll also likely to go ahead and meet with the officials and inquire as well. Remember, Chief Minister Naidu is already on ground. He's already examining what has happened. He's questioning the officials there, and we're seeing the Deputy Chief Minister there, Pawan Kalyan, who's just reached Tirupati. He's also going to go by road and go to the spot as well. Very soon, the former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy is just departed from Guntur there. That's what we're getting to learn. He's left from the Vijayawada airport. He'll also likely scheduled to land around past 4, half past 4, and that's the news that we are getting in. So we're seeing the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. We have the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Pawan Kalyan. Both of them who will be in Tirupati as well. They will go ahead and they will meet with the families of the victims who have lost their lives.
Let's hope that the netas, and these are elected representatives, realize their responsibility and pull up the authorities as well about what exactly happened. 6 people dead, over 20 have been injured.